In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your advanced settings in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to optimize your settings, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, helping you tailor your QuickBooks environment to better fit your business needs. First, let's get started by signing into your account. Open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once you arrive, you'll see the option to sign in. Simply click on this button. If you aren't already redirected, make sure you're selecting QuickBooks Online as your service. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, which typically include your username or email and your password. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click Continue to access your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your settings. To do this, look towards the top right corner where you will find a small gear icon, often referred to as the settings icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. This area is essentially the control center for your QuickBooks Online account. It houses various settings that you can customize according to how you want the software to work for you and your business operations. Once inside the Account and Settings section, you'll see several tabs. Our focus today is on the Advanced tab. This is where you can really refine how QuickBooks functions to suit your operational preferences. So go ahead and click on the Advanced tab. This will bring up a comprehensive list of options and settings, each dedicated to different aspects of your accounting practices. Now let's dive into making those important adjustments. In this section, you can start by editing your accounting preferences. This may include adjusting your fiscal year, applying a closing date, or setting up automatic invoices. Next, explore the Chart of Accounts section. This is where you can customize your accounts to reflect your specific financial operations, ensuring your accounting is as detailed or simplified as you need it to be. Additionally, you have the option to manage categories. This can be incredibly useful for organizing transactions and optimizing the way you track financial activities. You can activate or deactivate categories, ensuring that everything stays neat and relevant to your business processes. Finally, don't forget about the currency settings. If your business deals with multiple currencies, this is where you can enable and manage those preferences, facilitating easier conversions and more accurate financial tracking. And there you have it, the essential steps to set up your advanced settings in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll be able to customize your accounting software in a way that complements your business needs, potentially saving time and enhancing your financial management. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.